Introducing the French Broad, a spacious one-bedroom apartment home by HHHunt. Nestled in the heart of Nashville, Tennessee, this stunning home offers over 800 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. Perfect for cooking at home or entertaining, the kitchen is accompanied with a large island, gourmet appliances, and cabinet space for storage. The seamless flow from the kitchen to the great room creates an airy environment, ideal for relaxing or entertaining friends and family. Step outside to your private covered porch and enjoy a peaceful spot to sip your morning coffee. The French Broad also features a cozy bedroom with direct access to a full bathroom, complete with a tub and a generous walk-in closet. You'll appreciate the convenience of a laundry room equipped with a full-size washer and dryer, making daily chores simple and efficient. And with ADT Smart Home technology, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing you can lock your home and adjust the temperature from an app on your phone. Elevate your lifestyle by living in luxury at Abberly Riverwalk. The French Broad Floor Plan, your urban oasis. AbberlyRiverwalk.com